Good morning, Ken Reed with SkipperBud's here to show you the new 42 GLS fish package. The 42 GLS has been an incredibly popular model for the Cruisers family. This year they are offering the new Mercury 600 V12 Verado outboards, a fishing package which includes this raised rod holder rail system, 4 rod holders, 3 drink holders, padded rail for when you're fighting that monster fish, we have a live well here and a live well here, rod holders, 5 on this side, 5 on this side, and again you have the 4 across the raised rail system. The most popular feature of this boat is the beach doors, which fold up and down. The remainder of the boat remains the same. Huge galley area in the cockpit, which includes an electric grill. And that is the all-new 42 GLS for 2024. For more information, call today.